Hi, my name is Julia Crone, and I'm a digital learning coach for Keep Indiana Learning. I am going to show you how to create a label in Gmail. I use labels in Gmail to help keep myself organized. Let's head to my Gmail. There are a few different ways to create a label in Gmail. I'm going to start with showing you through settings. So I'm going to go to settings and then select see all settings. From there, I'll head to labels. Now you can see labels that were actually already created by Gmail, and you can show those or hide those, and you can see how it changes on the left-hand side. If I keep scrolling down, you'll see I can go to create a new label. So I select that, and then I enter a name. Let's try out test, and then I select create. One thing you might notice is that Gmail actually keeps their labels in alphabetical order. I might have one label that I find to be more important that I want to access quicker. I'm going to label that with a 1 or a 2 or a 3 so I can determine the order that they're in. Another way to create a label is you can scroll down on the left-hand side and select more and continue scrolling down till you see create new label. Here are the instructions written out in case you want to pause the video. The next thing I'd like to show you is how to change the color of your label. The point of doing this is just another layer of visual organization. As you can see, I go to my labels and I find the label that I would like to change the color of. I go to the 3 little dots and go to label color. I select the color that I like, and then I can set the color from there. One way to label an email is to head to that email, and then to the top you can find labels. I can add as many labels as I would like, and then at the bottom I click apply. From there, as you can see, if I head back to my inbox, that email has all the labels on it, and then within that label I can find that email as well. You can also add a label to an email that you're going to compose. So let's make it simple, and I'll just compose to myself 3 little dots once again, and you can add whatever labels you like. The point of doing this is for when that person replies back to you or sends an email back, you're automatically going to have it labeled. Here are the written instructions on this in case you wanted to pause. Final thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to create a nested label. This is essentially like a folder inside a folder inside a folder, however deep you'd like. These are for my uber organized friends. Once again, you can either create a label by going to see all settings or scrolling down to more and then create new label. I name this label and then I decide which label to nest it under. From there, I can scroll and I can see on the side that I have an arrow option to where I can show it or not show it. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to email me and make sure you check out Keep Indiana.